Welcome back to the channel. This is MJ Fanbase again. Today we are looking at fixing of our 175cc Tricycle motorbike. We are replacing the engine with another one, and this is how it all began, and this is how we started making the changes. So we brought in the mechanic. The work has begun. He has removed the fuel tank, paving way for the engine to be loosened, and from here you will take down the engine, and in no time we'll fix it with the new one which we purchased. So stay tuned and watch to the end. This motorbike is an Apsonic motorbike, Tricycle, which we purchased about some few years back. So the services of this very equipment is needed on our farm, and we've decided to replace the engine to carry out all the farm activities that we'll be doing with this very motorbike. So if you are new here, this is MJ Fanbase again. We talk about farming and the enormous earnings people get from farming or gain from farming. If you are interested in such videos, click the subscribe button and follow us for more. So step by step, the mechanic has begun the work disconnecting the electrical parts, the solenoid and the charger on the other end, removing them, paving way for the new one to be fixed. So this very motorcycle comes with the new engine that we purchased comes with some of the electrical equipment like solenoid, the charger and the down coil. It came with a few electrical parts, so we decided to change it so that everything will be in good order. So carefully he's taking off some of the electrical components, and here I was asking him whether the down coil here comes with the new engine that we've purchased. So, and he said yes. So obviously we'll be changing that one as well, and the process will not take too long to fix this very engine. So that is it. So stay tuned and let's all see what happens next. So he was asking what are we going to use the engine for, and I was telling him to just be as a spare part for us, so that anytime something gets spots on the new one, we'll remove it from this very one, because this engine is not totally damaged before we are taking it off from the motorbike. But just to be on the safer side, where the farm is very far for us to get a reliable transport, and be sure the machine will be able to take us to and fro to the farm. We've advised ourselves to get this very new engine so that it will make the work comfortable and reliable for anybody that will be partaking in whatever activity in terms of logistics on the farm. So that is it. Here I was asking him whether he's going to take off the engine oil, and he said no, because he's going to put the engine down. As long as we are not going to use it, it can just be there, so that it keep the parts lubricated for a very long time before whatever that will be removing from it. And if it happens that we will no longer use it anymore, then we scrap it and give it to those scrap people. Yes, in your shot, he's now removing the gearbox which connects the shaft into the engine. So that is the first thing he has removed mechanically. So that is it. It has been taken off, and the rest of the process is ongoing. Here he is losing the engine mounting bolt, which firmly holds the engine onto the chassis. So that is what he's doing at this very moment. Here is our new engine, which will be fixing onto the motorbike. A capacity of 175 cubic capacity. Apsonic brand. So that is it. If you are watching this video and you need any information about this very motorbike, or how reliable or how strong this very motorbike is, I can attest to you that it's a very strong motorbike. It resists a lot, and it performs very well under harsh conditions. So if you want to go in for this, it's advisable you can purchase some and try it yourself, or better still, interview some people who are already using these very bikes and they see what they will say about it. Yes, here we have our new engine ready to be fitted on the motorbike for the next journey of life. Here is the detailed information about the engine. You can screenshot it and look for similar thing if you have a bike of this capacity and you want to replace the engine. So that is it. The reason why I'm not mentioning any price on this very engine is in terms of pricing, it might vary from one point to another, or one community to another. How much you will buy this very engine in Tema will be different from how much you will buy it in Accra price, or maybe in Tamale. So that is why I've not mentioned any price tag on it to say we purchase this very amount. I don't want to give any misinformation about this thing, so that is why. So here gradually some of the electrical components has begun to be changed or removed from the motorbike, and the new ones are being fitted at this very juncture. So the mechanic is on his way trying to put back all the components that's on the bike, or replacing all the components one by one for him not to miss any step. Yes, because mind you, he's not an electrician, he's a mechanic, so he's careful about this very side of the engine. Yes, voila, here we have it. Our new engine has been installed and is being in position. We are trying to set it and fix the mounting boots so that we'll secure it strongly and firmly, so that there will be no vibration which will disturb it later in the future when we begin to use it. Here is the old one removed from the tricycle. So here we go. So now that the engine has been fixed, we are making sure other parts are also fixed. This very coil has been treated, or the wires on it has been treated, and here we will be fixing this new one. So he's cross-checking to see, and so that he does not make any mistake. Yes, so we are on it and we'll be fixing it in no time. Here we have everything fitted, and the motor has been tried and the engine has started, and you can hear it from the sound. It's ready for the next journey of its life. you've watched up to this far, it's nice you support us by subscribing to the channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you for choosing our channel, and we'll keep you updated. See you in our next video.